Hi everyone, I'm the founder of Realitychain. My name is Decentricity, and I'm here to let you know how to build on Realitychain. So logging in is using currently the near testnet or MetaMask. Like there are several of our worlds, several realms that are using like different chains. So we are a multi-chain metaverse. But yeah, and then you customize the way you look using these presets. You would also be able to add NFTs, like if you have a hairstyle NFT, something you can incorporate into your avatar. Currently, everything is on testnet, so we have set up a few hairstyles and body parts for you as presets. Skin tone here, and because that looks like me. Yeah, and it's you can change your body shape, and let's wear a skirt. I like the skirt here. Skirt's nice, so let's sure my top matches. Bracelet,
Paradise
skirt, there you go. And these, yeah, this clashes. Okay, this one, or this one. It's this one, right, guys? All right. So I'm in world. This is the world. It's WASD or this little joystick to move around, right? And you can basically teleport. This easy to teleport. Click on the map on one of the X's. So if you have created a metaverse with us, if your project have created a metaverse with us, you would be able to define these teleport spots as a user. So there's this person who's anonymous. I don't know who this is actually. So just gonna right click him. You can see the profile. Okay, so he's anon. He's not wearing anything and his wallet is not connected. So I got that. I can basically teleport to him. Let's try that out. Just gonna zoom out. Right click, teleport. Right. I can also mention him. Say hello. Regular mention. There's nearby chat. There's world chat. There's mentions. And there's actually something else just not mentioned here. Private chat. You can do a private chat with this person. And it becomes a new tab. And this is private chat. No one else can hear. We call it Whisper, and also access Whisper with /w. Okay, so let's teleport back here where we landed. And you can see here that there's this whole parcel, this whole huge parcel that I can buy. Pressing buy. And I can see my land holdings just by clicking here. So all my land holdings are there, and I can press edit. Once I press edit, I can actually do a lot of things. First of all, the thing you need to know is the hammer. So the hammer is how you build, basically. So you press the hammer mode, and you would be able to sort of like do 2D Minecraft on this thing. And walls, you can view the full wall or just the foundations, make it easier to build. You can mix and match the walls. Each of these walls are actually NFTs. Again, we do have sort of like a base model walls, like several base model walls actually. But you can also add designs. You can create new designs if you wanted to. Then you can mix and match. You can also add furniture, and furniture is also 2D NFTs. Something like this. You can have a DJ booth, which is always fun, but like you can have like a party balloon atmosphere. That's it's kind of cool. Mix and match the balloons. All these are also NFTs. So yeah, up there. And flooring. You can just do this. Square floor. Oh, actually, that's the base floor. That's sort of like the So this would work. Would also work. Yeah, and then like you can All right. Okay, so you press save. Okay. Once you press save, you go back to the world. Buildings are prepared and should be back there. Note that this actually works on mobile. This is better than most other metaverses out there because from a mobile perspective, accessibility perspective, you basically have no need of a PC to actually build on this thing. Okay, so again, the floorings are also things that you can define as NFTs. So edit. You can add a few things, furniture. And furnitures are special objects that are functional most of the time. Chairs are functional. For example, you can sit on chairs. Beds are functional. You can lay on them, right? And you can also add images. There are preset images, we call them paintings. And there are some special ones, including a Twitch stream one. So yeah, you can basically put a Twitch stream there. Press options and then embed your Twitch link. Decentricity. All right. You can also put up a few other cooler things like this. This thing. That's nice. Okay. Save that. Make sure that's safe. Also, you can insert images and import NFTs. You can import NFTs. You can insert video. I think I can just go to my Pinata. Pinata, login, and same. All right. So I'm gonna sort of like use some of the things that I've already had here. My date with Pixie. There you go. Copying that. And I'm inserting an image. That is an image now. Loading. This still has the Paras logo, even though it's not on Paras. Like we still need to work on this, but like importing. You see, it's kind of blurry. Yes, this is a bit limited in terms of like the resolution because we want to make sure that it's okay for mobile devices. We are working on it. I'm gonna click that. And I'm gonna put it right here. And I can even trigger it, like this can trigger another Twitch stream if I wanted to. Yeah, that's a save right there. Press save. Okay, other things are available as well. YouTube, for example, Twitch, and this autoplays, and you can make it audio only as well. So this is sort of like similar to the one CryptoVoxels has, basically the parcel stream. Right, so if it's audio only, then only the audio plays, obviously, and you can put in any Twitch stream or any YouTube, get a video actually on there, and you can import NFTs as well as a link. And so there's no NFTs here because on this wallet, on this testnet wallet, I don't think I have NFTs. But like if I do, it'll be shown here as well. Right, so I'm saving that. Well, of course, if you want to delete anything, like if I want to see this part of the wall, I can just remove these walls. You can see them. And save again. Get out there, get in world, we're in buildings. There you go. I'm gonna zoom out a bit so you can see what I made. And yeah, I'm gonna try out down here. Yep, I can just walk off it, or you can just sit here. You have to get close to it and then. So there's a lot of opportunities here. Of course, these are all NFTs, even the bed. It's just 2D. There's some standards that you can see on our website as well. Go to docs.realitychain.io and a lot more details there, including creating the larger map. Sort of the idea of Realitychain is that it's not just a metaverse for individuals, but also for communities. So if you have an NFT project, large enough community, you can basically spin up on a metaverse, create a metaverse with us. You can find this map, and once you've defined that, you can basically create like not just the parcel, not just building of the parcels, but also like the roads, the public goods spaces, all of the stuff, like even like the location of the parcels. Yeah, so this is what we have for Realitychain. if you are trying this out and if you have any inputs, just click here. Like this is something that we only have on testnet. It's a Google form. Anything you want to report, any feedback, just go there. And we're sort of done. Get updates on Realitychain at realitychain.io, realitychain.io. 2DVerse is the name of the engine, by the way. We are building two. One is the 2DVerse and the other is Realityverse. And the one is 2D, the other is 3D. And yeah, thank you for listening to us. Press F to dance and press enter to chat. And thank you. All right.